All right, so here we go. So yesterday I was in here digging with a shovel. There's been all kinds of plants and bushes and trees in here that the roots are everywhere. I was struggling digging this out, boulders. So my customer said, why don't you just get a machine? So bam, she rented me this little guy, a little Kubota. So I scooped it, put it in that wheelbarrow and dumped it down the hill. I got to get it all out of my way so I can do this concrete. But this is my plan, to take these caps off and put my forms up against the block under the 4-inch caps. Then I'm also gonna have to do a form here. I gotta figure out what height I want. I want to be higher than the floor though. Maybe 2 inches, whatever it is. We also cut over here, took this all out. So I gotta get this wasn't a low bearing wall over here. This one is. But still, might as well do it. I also got to do down there by the garage door, but I'll do that later. So I got to take these out too. I want to fill this all in solid with concrete and rebar. Then I can frame my wall on top of that. And that'll be up here somewhere. You know what I mean? It's not way down here in the dirt. I mean, let me try to show you the height here. So here we are, we're sitting on the block. Come on, man, you can't have that. You can't have the dirt higher than the wood up against it. But I mean, I'm looking to see how they fasten the plates. I see a couple of nails. There's one here, one here. Looks like a hole that had one here. There's one there. Nails, huh? That's it. So right here, I'm not going to be able to remove the caps under the beam, so I'm probably just going to have to cut and leave this, because this is all bearing right now. If I take that off, I don't know what's going to happen with the beam. I mean, it already cracked. It's probably locked in, got that locked in flavor, but I don't want to take the chance. So I'll probably leave that like that. And just cut, and hopefully I can, it looks like I got room to get concrete in the cores under there. And I'm probably gonna have to coat that beam with something, some kind of waterproofing, because that's gonna be encapsulated in my concrete. You look over there, there's really nothing under that wall in there, holding that wall up. So I got to dig out whatever I can, and then I'm going to try to get the concrete under there too. This is just one of them situations, man. I mean, people have been working on this house for years. The siding guys were here to remove the asbestos shingles that used to be here, and nobody thought to replace the rotted framing. How they just put stuff over it, cover it up, hide it. But as you see over here, I got to take care of also. So I'll eventually be replacing this gutter here. Look how long it is. Sheesh. So it needs a downspout down there and one here. But somebody over the years hit it. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do, and see how it dumps out here? So in the wintertime, the water runs this way. And then at nighttime it freezes and it's all ice right here. So my plan, I'm gonna try to trench. I'm gonna trench across here over to the hill and get a pipe in there, turn the corner here, and I'm gonna have the downspout over here this time, because my customer actually wants me to take these Belgian blocks out to right here. This way we could do something straight here. I may do like a concrete pad here, because people, they turn around and they run these over. They don't see them, they run them over. It's just, So what I'm thinking is just follow the wall there, come over somewhere about here, and back over, and just do concrete. I can even color it black and look like the asphalt. I'm not an asphalt guy, so I don't have the equipment for that. So I gotta figure something else out. But yeah, I just wanted to show you where I'm at with this job. A lot of dirt came out of here. Probably 50 wheelbarrows full. So we're building a little pad over here now. Extend this out a little further. But nah, this stuff here will definitely wash down when it rains. It's real soft. So then when we're all done in the front, then those landscapers can come back, put down some of that mesh and keep the weeds out, fill it in with topsoil, and replant the plants and the bushes. And hopefully keep the weeds out. So before I remove these caps, I gotta dig down and remove some dirt on that side too, because you know what happens once I remove the caps, all that dirt in there is gonna fall in the cores, and I'm looking to fill them in solid with concrete. A couple nails. No, just a rock, one nail. So for anybody interested where I'm at on the job, that's just a little update. Thankfully, my customer knows about this kind of work and rented me that little machine. Definitely saved me. Pulled a lot of dirt out of here.